Hello students, welcome to the channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions class 11th and 12th, where we find solutions to the NCERT back exercises of physics, chemistry and biology, that also on a single platform. So today we are discussing chapter number 4 of your class 12th biology book, that is Principles of Inheritance and Variations, right? So we are discussing the last question of this chapter, that is question number 16. Asking mention any two autosomal genetic disorders with their symptoms. तो कोई भी दो autosomal genetic disorders हमें बताने हैं उनके symptoms के साथ. So first autosomal genetic disorder that I am discussing is sickle cell anemia. Yes बच्चों, sickle cell anemia एक बहुत ही common autosomal recessive genetic disorder है, in which what happens is actually the quality of beta hemoglobin chain is affected. हमें पता है beta hemoglobin chain एक बहुत important प्रोटीन है हमारा टू फॉर्म दी हीमोग्लोबिन, राइट, विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कैरिंग ऑक्सीजन इन आवर बॉडी. बट चिल्ड्रन, अगर हम बीटा हीमोग्लोबिन चेन की फॉर्मेशन देखें ड्यू टू सम जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर, ड्यू टू पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस, इट कैन एक्चुअली बी अफेक्टेड. एक्चुअली द सिक्स्थ पोजिशन DNA of beta hemoglobin chain is actually coded by a triplet codon GAG. तो guanosine, adenine, guanosine से कोड होता है, बट एक्चुअली बच्चों बिकॉज ऑफ अ पॉइंट म्यूटेशन दिस ए इज एक्चुअली रिप्लेस्ड बाय यूरासिल. तो GAG का रिप्लेस हो जाना विद अनदर कोडॉन GUG, सिंगल पॉइंट म्यूटेशन, actually it changes the type of amino acid synthesized at the sixth position. पहले sixth position पे synthesize होता था glutamine, but due to point mutation now the kind of amino acid that is formed is valine. So this is a point mutation but actually affecting the person because the RBCs, instead of remaining in a biconcave shape, they get transformed into a shape of sickle type cells, because of which the oxygen tension in the body, right, the capacity of the hemoglobin molecules to carry oxygen throughout the body is affected and the person suffers from oxygen deficiency. So let's write about it, that sickle cell anemia is an autosomal genetic disorder. It is an autosomal genetic disorder caused by the point mutation, taking place at point mutation occurring at the sixth position of the beta hemoglobin chain, right? Clear? Beta hemoglobin chain, right? Symptoms include, what are these symptoms? The change of, I am writing the symptoms here, the transformation of shape of RBCs to sickle shape cells, right? Clear? First is that shape of the RBCs changes, right? Secondly, children, because of the change in the shape, the oxygen retention capacity, the oxygen carrying capacity of the hemoglobin chain is affected. So I am writing person suffers from oxygen deficiency, right, because of lack of proper transport, right? So this is one autosomal genetic disorder. The second disorder that I am discussing here is phenylketonuria. Yes children, it is phenylketonuria. So it is generally called PKU. This is a condition which is caused by the absence of enzyme phenyl hydroxylase enzyme, right? So phenylalanine actually is an amino acid present in the body. Phenylalanine is actually an amino acid present in the body which is converted into tyrosine, which is another amino acid, right? तो phenylalanine को body में एक दूसरे amino acid में convert होना होता है under normal conditions, that is tyrosine, but because of the absence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, क्योंकि इसका जीन एब्सेंट है बॉडी में, राइट, जीन फॉर सिंथेसाइजिंग दिस एंजाइम इज एब्सेंट, सो देयर इज एब्सेंस ऑफ दिस एंजाइम इन द बॉडी एक्चुअली because of which phenylalanine is never converted into tyrosine, as a result of which phenylalanine body में accumulate होता रहता है. It gets accumulated in the brain cells, in the skin cells, and even it is also excreted out in the form of in the form of urine, sweat. So basically the patient starts suffering from mental retardation, क्योंकि brain में अगर amino acid deposit होना शुरू हो जाएगा तो brain cells में deposition की वजह से mental retardation cause होगी. Also the person will be suffering from problems of hair reduction, hair color reduction, the hair will become white, hypopigmentation will take place, skin will also start becoming hypopigmented. So basically what we can write is phenylketonuria is an autosomal genetic disorder, caused by absence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase that causes accumulation of phenylalanine, right? क्योंकि वो टायरोसिन में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या होगा, बॉडी में डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. दैट कॉजेज accumulation of phenylalanine, hence causing, so I am writing the symptoms now, hence causing mental retardation, number 1. Secondly, it will cause hypopigmentation. Hypo means loss of pigmentation of hair and skin. Hypopigmentation of hair and skin, basically color चला जाएगा hair और skin का, melanin content will reduce, and also it will cause release of phenylalanine and its derivatives and its related compounds, basically, and its derivatives in urine and saliva and even sweat of the affected person. So these are the symptoms of the 2 autosomal genetic disorders that we have discussed, children. I hope the solution is clear to you, and if you have liked the session, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to channel Vedantu NCERT Solutions 11th and 12th, and I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.